A pioneering astronomer who helped find powerful evidence of dark matter has died. Vera Rubin was 88. Alan Rubin said Monday his mother died of natural causes Sunday. He says the Philadelphia native had been living in the Princeton, New Jersey, area. Rubin found that galaxies don't quite rotate the way they were predicted, and that lends support to the theory that some other force is at work, namely dark matter.
Likewise, for a galaxy, you would expect as you got further and further away, things are moving more and more slowly to stay in their orbits.
But Zwicky didn't observe that. Neither did a young scientist named Vera Rubin 50 years later. She was observing the rotational curves of galaxies, similar to the Milky Way. Like Zwicky, her observations also seemed strange.
What Vera Rubin actually measured was that he got further and further away, the velocity of the orbiting gas and dust remained constant.
What Rubin observed was as if a city were a galaxy and every car on the road was a planet or star. And despite the amount of traffic, every car traveled around the city at the same speed. This same consistent rotational speed, despite the amount of stuff or traffic, was exactly what Rubin observed.
The outer parts of the galaxy were rotating fast enough that there must be a lot more mass, otherwise the galaxy would have flown apart.
The only way to resolve this paradox of galaxies which spin 10 times too fast is to assume that there is a halo of invisible matter surrounding the galaxy, keeping the galaxy whole.
Dark matter was present in the galaxies, and it had enough mass to keep the rotation speed constant.
During the 1970s, the American astronomer Vera Rubin and her team examined again the dark matter. They were studying the spiral galaxies and the rotation speed of the stars around the galactic center. As in the solar system, where most of the mass is concentrated in the center, so too with the Sun in the spiral galaxies, where more or less the same happens. Most of the bright matter is concentrated in the center. Therefore, they expected the rotation speed of the stars around the galactic center to follow the same pattern of the planets rotating around the Sun. By analyzing different spiral galaxies, Vera Rubin realized that the stars rotating around the galactic center did not decrease in speed. The expected results were not the ones coming out from their observations. The stars kept a stubborn constant speed, spinning at a velocity that did not decrease with distance. This fact could only be explained by the presence of a halo of dark matter in the spiral galaxy. A halo of dark matter that has between 5 to 10 times the quantity of the observed bright matter.